Hello and welcome everybody to the 9th day of our devlog series. Today I kind of finished the basics of the item harvesting. You can harvest with your hand or with pickaxe, it doesn't matter for now. And I made the basics of item crafting as well. When you craft it, you don't have enough resources, they turn red. When you can craft them, they become blue. Let me harvest some items. There is still no food. I started the blueprint, but I didn't finish it. They are just standing there like that. As you can see, they are blue now. If I don't have enough item, they turn red. And you can grind item with everything. It needs to be changed. Their static mesh can change as well, but they are for a little bit later. Today I am glad with this progress. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you later.